The Dark Angel Medical Ankle Kit. This is our ankle trauma kit because the best kit you got is the one that's closest to you. And if you've got on-body carry of a trauma kit, this is going to help you out, and this could be the difference between life or death. It's got our, what I like to call the Pocket Doc's top 5 items with tourniquet, gloves, mini compression bandage, hemostatic gauze, and chest seals. So in here we've got a pair of HyFin compact bent chest seals, a 12-foot roll of QuikClot bleeding control dressing, which can be substituted for the ChitoGauze XR Pro, which is the Cheetah based. We've also got a pair of nitrile gloves, a mini compression bandage, and there's room over here for a marker or shears if you want to. Now, the way we've designed this is to pull this tab up, much like an open-top magazine pouch, so you can access your components. This is all made out of a stretchy nylon elastic webbing so that it conforms to a large variety of ankles, and it also maintains some compression for a lower profile under pants. Now, this won't fit under really extremely tapered pants legs, so you have to kind of judge if it'll fit under your pants without showing, without printing. And it comes standard with the Cat tourniquet, the Cat Gen 7. But for maybe a little lower profile, you can go with the SOF-T Gen 5 option, and that fits right here in this tourniquet pouch on the kit itself. So this is the Dark Angel Medical Ankle Trauma Kit. Head over to darkangelmedical.com, check it out, get a kit, get trained, and be the difference.